In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the paper size in Google Docs. This is a handy skill to have when you need your documents to fit different formats for various purposes, whether it's for a report, a flyer, or any specific requirement you come across. So let's dive in and go through the steps to get this done effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do that. Enter your credentials to access your Google account. If you're already logged in, it's as simple as clicking right into the service. Once you're in, you'll have the option to either open an existing document that you want to modify or start fresh by creating a new one. For revisiting past works, you can simply scroll through your files to find the document you require or click the blank option to start anew. It's always nice to have options, isn't it? With your document open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There you'll notice a menu labeled File. Go ahead and give that a click to reveal a drop-down menu filled with a variety of options related to your document. As you carefully scan the menu, you're going to seek out the option labeled Page Setup. This might be a bit down the list, but don't rush. Click on Page Setup to see a dedicated settings window pop up on your screen. This window is a powerhouse of useful features, everything you need for adjusting your document's layout. In the Page Setup window, you'll find various settings including margins, orientation, and the feature we're focusing on today, the paper size. By default, it might show up as letter or whichever size you last worked with. Click on Paper Size, and this will present you with a selection of different sizes. You'll likely see options like legal, A4, and many more, depending on your needs. Select the paper size that suits your requirements best. Maybe you're preparing a more formal document and you need A4 or perhaps something larger like tabloid. Don't worry, the page setup area makes this part straightforward. Once you're satisfied with your selection, simply hit the OK button. And there you have it, your document will immediately adjust to the new dimensions you've set. Remember, layout changes like this are easily reversible, so feel free to explore different sizes for all sorts of projects. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to tackle your document setup needs in Google Docs with confidence. Happy editing!